is electronic mail. It's the exchange of computer stored messages from one user to another user or a group of users via internet. This is the architecture of email. We have mail user agent, mail transfer agent, mail deliver agent, again mail user agent. So this is the machine where you generate email, compose email, and this is MUA. MUA in the sense your Gmail account, your Outlook account, everything. Okay, and from that your email is sent using simple mail transfer protocol, and it is sent to the email server, and this server is called as outgoing mail server. Okay, outgoing mail server. So what they will do, they have MTA, mail transfer agent. They will forward the email to another email server, and this forwarding is done using simple mail transfer protocol. So SMTP is a protocol which will forward the email from mail transfer agent to mail delivery agent, or maybe to another mail transfer agent. Okay, so mail delivery agent is another email server. It's called as incoming mail server. They receive the email and they will forward the email back to the receiver, the mail user agent of another user, by using POP or IMAP protocol. POP means post office protocol, IMAP means internet message access protocol. So what are things we have is mail user agent is the one which generates or compose email. It will send an email to the server. Okay, it will be done using SMTP. The mail transfer agent will forward the email to another mail transfer agent. Example, yours is Gmail account and the receiver is Outlook account. Then this will be MTA will be your Gmail MTA. They will forward that to Outlook MTA. And if both are in same domain, example, this is Gmail, this is also Gmail, use sender also Gmail account, receiver also Gmail account, then this mail transfer agent of Gmail will forward that email to mail delivery agent of Gmail. And from here, the email will be forwarded, or the email stored in that delivery agent will be taken by the mail user agent of the receiver by using POP or IMAP. What is the difference between POP or IMAP? Okay, POP and IMAP. POP means we can download the emails from a server to a single computer. Once you download the email from the server, the email will be in your computer and you cannot access email from anywhere. Only one machine you can access. And the email will be deleted from the server. IMAP in the sense you can get the copy of email from the server. Okay, the original will be in the email server and you can open that email in any number of machines. That is what IMAP. Nowadays all the email services are using IMAP. Okay, that's the theory part. Now I'm going to discussion. We'll go for the practical part. So in our topology we have two servers. I will take this as our email server. Go for the server. Then you could see services. We already configured HTTP, DHCP, TFTP, DNS, syslog, NTP, and FTP also done. Now we go for email. So click email. Already there are two protocols, SMTP and POP are being turned on. So as I told you already, SMTP is simple mail transfer protocol which send the email from machine to server, server to server. POP is POP post office protocol which will store the email so that the receiver can take the email from that server. Okay, so domain name you have to set. Actually it will be empty like this. Okay, I just put that earlier, that's why. Okay, so you have to put the domain name first. For every email we need domain name, right? Example, you have say asma 123 at the rate utas.edu.in. Same here, I want to mention the domain name. So our project is Sohar Oil. I'll put the Sohar Aluminium, right? Sohar. Okay, I'll go with Sohar Oil, soharoil.com. Whatever domain name you have in your project, you can add that. Then click set button. Okay, don't forget to click set. You have to click the set. Then username, password. Okay, we are going to create two users. One for this will be one of my email client. Another one will be this machine. So these two are my email clients. Okay, so whenever you are configuring email client, no, before that username password should be there in the server. Okay, like when you are going to create a email account, right? Example, asma123 at outlook.com. The Outlook server also should have the same username password. Okay. So here you are adding the username password. Say first one I add asma, then password I'll put sohar123. Okay, this is the password for asma. Then I will add another user Lamia, and I put the password say sohar123. Just putting, okay, so that I will not forget. Like this I put. Okay, so I have asma username sohar123 password, Lamia username sohar123. We'll do one thing. We'll make this no personal. So asma123. Okay, then change password. Okay, then Lamia. Okay, this one. Okay, this okay. Let me check here. It's change or not. It's not change. Okay, so you have to go here and click change password. So here asma123. I changed. If you want to change the password, do like this. Okay. Now see, Asma's password change. Again, Lami, I want to change the password. Go here, change password. What is the password I want to put? Lam123. Okay, I put. So both passwords now change successfully. Okay. Now you want to go to the client part. This is one client. So go here and in desktop we could find email. We want to configure the email. Give the username, email address, incoming email server, outgoing email server, username, password. Okay. So here I put Asma, email address asma at the rate soharoil.com. Incoming email server, outgoing email server, both are same. Okay, we have only one machine here as incoming and outgoing email server. This is the IP address 12.3. I'll copy this one here. Same will be outgoing email server. Then the username asma and the password I told you I changed asma123. So I shown you how to change the password, right? But you don't want to change the password means keep it same. Just I change, that's all. So if someone asks you how do we change the username password, you can try that. Okay. Then I configured one email client. Now another one I'm going to configure. Okay. Go to desktop email. So here I put the name. It was Lamia, right? Lamia user, and the ID username. Sorry, email address is Lamia at the rate soharoil.com. Incoming email server, outgoing is same. We have only one server. Then the username is Lamia. And the password is lam123. Okay, save. Now I configured both clients. Okay, you can check in the configuration part. Configured. Now I want to compose. Okay, I want to send an email. Now we have four options here. Okay, compose, reply, receive, delete, and fifth one already we done. Okay, now I'm going to compose means send an email. So compose, I'm in asma. Okay, now I want to send the email to Lamia. So Lamia at the rate soharoil.com. Subject test email. I'm going to try here. Hi Lamia, how are you? What about Yakin and Ziana? Send this. After sending, go to the another client. Okay, you can see same compose, reply, receive like that. Okay, click receive. You could receive the email from asmasohar@email.com. See, when I click this, I could see hi, how are you? How about what about Yakin and Ziana? So you have to, how do we reply? Click that email, then reply. Okay, hi Asma, they are fine. Thank you. Okay, send back. Now go to the client machine again here. Click receive. You could see the email from Lamia. Okay, hi Asma, they are fine. Thank you. This is how we test the email. If you want to delete an email, click the email, click delete button. Okay. So compose for sending email, reply, click that email you received, and then reply. receive for receiving the email, delete for deleting the email, configure email for changing that, configuring the email by setting username, password, everything here. In the server only, we can change the email ID, password, everything in the server only. This is how you configure email in the packet tracer. Okay, hope you understood. Bye.